Yo, 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 yo.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Back here on EA Sports, James Cebulski along with Ray Ferraro, who's down at ice level. This should be a fun one here this evening. Ray, I guess with what we're about to see on the ice, international relations could be impacted politically here in the world with this one tonight.
Wow, that sounds like a pretty big game, James.
How's that for a sell?
I'm just thinking when you play with your country's flag on your chest, everything is a little different. It means a little more.
And we are about set to drop the puck on this one. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. Let's it go. Puck grabbed by Varlamov. Varlamov's going to smother it to get a whistle.
Can get dangerous if nobody's in control of the puck.
Rush has won the draw. Oh, they go back on offense. Oh, what a save in front.
High-quality chance, high-quality save.
Picks off the feed. Quick feed to Panarin. Sends a pass over. Team Norway's regained possession of the puck. Norway's on the attack. Moves right to the middle. Hammers it on net. Oh, what a save. Dishes it to Panarin. Fires one. Big-time glove save.
Oh, that's a dangerous chance. We get another look at it, and the goaltender ends up making a good save.
Kuznetsov's won the draw. From the slot, fires away, makes the save. What a reaction with the blocker. Almost lost the puck, but hangs. Scores! They're on the board early.
Yeah, there's also a lot of people not in their seats yet. Man, that was quick. The goalie just can't keep up to this, James. The pass is in the wheelhouse, and he hammers it past the goalie into the net.
Team Rush is on the board here, and they've got the home crowd right into it early.
Aggressively out of the gate. They didn't give the opponent any time to get settled at all. I love their start.
From the neutral zone now. Here's a chance to his teammate. Rush has got the puck. Ovechkin's got the puck along the wing.
Time of the goal, 1 minute 51 seconds.
Handles it along the blue line. Sergachev's striking it along the line. That knocks him off the puck. Right in the open ice, that one's picked off. Handles the puck. Orlov's got it against the boards.
Ovechkin's dangerous in the offensive zone. He's got it now, and he's already got the go-ahead goal.
Now a quick pass to Sergachev. The one-timer stops him cold. And now he angles it across to Sergachev. And now it's over to Ovechkin. Oh, he gets a blocker on it. What a reaction. Steps into all of it in the open ice. Drives it to the front of the net. Stopped by the goaltender.
This has been a heck of a shift for them. They've got them hemmed into the offensive zone. Now they can carry the puck around as the defenders are just going to play a tight box. They look exhausted. Wow, did the ice get small for him? There's nowhere to go, and he had to absorb this huge hit.
Lots of time left in this period. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Anisimov's won the draw here in the offensive zone. And a beautiful stop by the glove. Team Rush has had the shot advantages, and they also have the lead. Anisimov's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone and makes the save. Takes the pass. Takes the feed. Tape-to-tape feed on the blue line. Offside the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the blue line. Russia's offense is off to a good start here in the early goings. This neutral zone face-off set to go, and we are back underway. And that one's picked off in the neutral zone.
Russia's had outstanding stick positioning. Coaches will love to show this in the video tomorrow.
Pokes it away to stay on the attack. Team Russia's got the puck along the wall. Here's a short pass to Dadonov. Oh, set that hit up perfectly. And the pass is picked off. Team Norway's gained possession. On the attack along the boards. Oh, he'll feel that one. Through center along the wing. Takes it and looks ahead. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Knocked away. Quick pass to Zaitsev. Dadonov's got it into offensive territory. With possession along the wall. Norway's got the puck in their own end. Moves the puck. Great pass from off the right side. Moves the puck along the half wall. And he comes up with it. Provorov's hauled down. Penalty on the way. Let's get the official decision. Sin bin bound for tripping.
I always hated taking tripping penalties. It always felt like there was something I could have done better than that.
Russia's sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
It'll be their initial power play of the evening, James. The best power plays, they move the puck and move their feet at the same time. You'll force the penalty killers back a little more defensively than they'd like to be.
Gets it out of his own end. Team Russia's gained possession along the boards. Panarin swinging the puck through center ice. Slides it back to the blue line. Answers the call with a big save. And manages to clear the zone. Russia's got a hold of it along the wall. Moves it to Provorov. And it's a quick pass to Radulov. And that's just out of reach. Team Russia's got the puck along the boards. Radulov's got it across the line. Heads deep inside the offensive zone. Gets it out of his own end. Russia's got the puck inside the defensive zone. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Ovechkin. Sends it over. And that shot dies in traffic. Both sides back to even strength. A great effort by the penalty killers there.
I like the work the penalty killers did there. The power play at times looked dangerous, but they didn't give up anything. And the power play is now over.
He scores!
They didn't sit back after getting that first one. They pile a back-to-back goal on here. Oh, the defensive team is dog-tired. Their tongues are hanging out of their mouth here. They just got outworked onto the puck, and eventually they give up the goal.
Nearing the midway mark of the period. Team Russia's really controlled the pace of play these last few minutes, leading by 2. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway.
By number 92.
Fires it into the offensive zone. Russia's got a hold of it against the wall. Puts it on net, and that's blocked. And the officials are calling a delayed penalty here. Looks like a trip. Here comes the official's decision. Tripping is the call, and it's pretty cut and dry, it seems, Ray.
Well, it's like you're in position, then you're not. You reach out, you trip them up, and there's no way to get out of it now.
And they'll roll the power play unit right back out.
If you can find a way to get a power play goal here, you can change the momentum of this game. They haven't got one yet tonight, and you find yourself starting to press when you don't score.
In front of the net, the goaltender covers up for a whistle on the play. Team Russia's capitalized on their offensive abilities here in this first period. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. There's the physical side. From the point, looks to make something happen. And he's able to handle that one.
He ran right through him on that hit. Lined him up, timed it perfectly.
Russia's still got time here in this first period to increase this lead. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Takes a shot. Way too much congestion blocks that. And manages to clear the zone. From their own end, trying to kickstart this power play. Good reach for the stick to knock the puck away. Right to the middle, right in the slot. And that one's broken up. Great block there. And now it's grabbed by Kulikov. Wide. Slides the puck down low. Special teams coming up huge on that goal.
They take advantage of having the extra man by moving the puck quickly. That's a beautiful goal. The goalie's not going to catch this. The pass from behind the net's on the tape. One timed into the cage before he can really get turned around.
Team Russia's offense has been on fire to start this one, and still lots of time left in the first. Puck is dropped and play resumes. Handles the pass at center. Moves it quickly over to Zadorov. Puck knocked loose after that hit. Battling for it along the boards. Good heads-up play in the defensive zone. Here they come on the attack. They've got numbers. Let's it go. And there's the save. Russia's been the better team here in this first period, and as a result, they've got a big lead. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Quick feed to Kovalchuk. Kovalchuk's got it along the wing. Keeps hold of the puck. Wrist shot from the slot. Can't get it to go. And here's a pass to Anisimov. Taken along the wall by Provorov. Nice pass. Carries it in. Along the half wall with the puck. Takes the feed. Traps that puck tight to his chest. Team Russia's taken full advantage of their scoring opportunities with a comfortable lead here in the first. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. With the backhander, denies him again. Here's a short pass to Bushnevich. Into the offensive end now. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Carries it across the line. Referee's got his hand up, signaling a delayed penalty. And there's the whistle. Let's get the call from the official here. Bushnevich is going off for charging.
Pretty good call here, James. He just traveled a little bit too far to deliver the hit.
Team Norway's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
Here's their first power play of the night, James, and they can be patient on it. They want to get the good shot, not just start firing puck after puck at the net.
Time of the penalty, 13 minutes.
Move to the middle. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Shot stopped by the goaltender. Russia's offense has been on fire to start this one, and still lots of time left in the first. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Gets it out of his own end. Norway's got the puck along the wall. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Takes the feed at the point. Receives the pass. What a stop as he puts out the fire! Team Russia's been the better team here in this first period, and as a result, they've got a big lead. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. The Mesnikovs carrying it ahead. Centering pass! Shot! Misses over the net. Team Norway's gained possession along the boards. Russia's got possession here in the offensive zone. Comes up with the stop. Moves the puck down low. And sends it just out of reach. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Both teams back to even strength. Really nice effort by the penalty-killing unit on that one.
And nobody's going to be very happy about that one, James. No real chances generated. No momentum game. Just a couple of minutes roll off the clock.
Team Russia's offense has been shining brightly so far in this first period. Kuznetsov's won a big draw in their own end. Ovechkin's gaining momentum. Here's an odd man rush. Moves it around along the half wall. Sends the pass over. Deflected. He scores! Aye, aye, captain!
I don't think the goaltender gets a look at this at all, James. He just drops into the butterfly. He's hoping the thing hits him through that traffic.
All right, we're going to get a goalie change here.
That'll do it for him. Mercifully, this has been a long night.
Russia's taken advantage of their opportunities offensively so far here in this first. More shots, more goals. Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Reads the pass perfectly and picks it off. And he makes the save. Battle along the boards. And the puck's knocked loose. Huge steal in his own end.
That turnover was made. James, immediately the coach yelled, "Be safe."
On the attack along the boards. Handles the puck at the point. Lets it go. Scores!
Oh, it just trickles over the goal line. The goaltender stopped most of it, just not all of it.
Team Russia's been the better team here in the late stages of this first period. More shots, more goals. Simple as that. And play resumes as the puck is dropped. Quick pass to Zaitsev.
Assisted by number 10. And
Looking to make something happen along the boards.
time of the goal, 60
Moves it to Bushnevich. With some momentum driving towards the net. With the stop. Along the wing up the neutral zone. With possession along the wall. Russia's looking to break out of their own end. And now he moves it to Kucherov. Handles the pass from the right wing. We got a delayed call coming up here as the referee raises his hand. And the officials stop the play. Let's see what the call is. They're off to the box. Boarding is the call.
Sometimes the sound of the hit is what draws the penalty.
Back to the face-off circle. They'll send the man advantage unit out again.
They've been skunked on the power play so far tonight. So you have a little chat on the bench. Guys, notice some things that the penalty killers do, and you try to adjust one step ahead of them.
And manages to clear the zone. Good use of the body on the play. And now he tries to get it across to Tarasenko. A chance right in front. Stick save. And now he angles it across to Orlov. Lets it go. Comes up with the stop as he got a piece of the blocker on it. Slides the puck over. What a stop! Too much congestion blocks the shot. Team Russia's offense has been shining brightly so far in this first period. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone and makes the save. Russia's taken advantage of their opportunities offensively so far here in this first. More shots, more goals. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And that one's broken up. Gets it out of his own end. Norway's got a hold of it along the wall. Oh, great play to use the wall handling the pass. Takes a shot, denied by the goaltender. Shot, great reflexes, another save.
Nice work in there after the first stop. He's got to find the puck to save the second.
Both teams back to even strength. Impressive job by the penalty killers on that play.
Immediately, this becomes really frustrating, but as they go back to the bench, the power play will look at that and say, we did a lot of good things. We do that again the next time, we're going to score.
And there's the horn to end the period. They threw everything but the kitchen sink, but they've run out of time.
Don't forget to check out our top 10 moments in hockey history. You can find it on our website, voted on by you, our fans.
And as both teams head to their respective rooms, 2 more periods still to come. We're looking forward to it here on EA Sports. Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray. I'm James. Second period set to go. Period number 2 underway here. It's been an absolute mismatch through the first 20 minutes. Tried to get too cute with it and loses possession.
Panarin's tendency is to shoot the puck. This time he overhandles it and loses it.
There's the whistle. Offside is the call. Team Russia's been all over them here in this second period. Just look at the score, and they have dominated in the shot clock, too. Puck picked up by Kulikov. From the opposite point. Picks off the pass in the defensive zone. Now he takes it over the line. And that's picked off. Malkin's got it along the boards. And he slides it quickly to Radulov. Big-time save with the blocker. Up along the wing. Nice pass back. Team Norway's got it in their own zone. Nice feed at center, moves up ahead now. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Kuznetsov's going to play it against the half wall. Moves the puck along the half wall. Makes the save and putting out the fire in front. Oh, and another big stop. No, sir.
Really good stop. After he made the first one, he's got to find the puck, and he's in position again.
Russia's offense has come to play in a big way as they dominated both the shots and goal category. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Takes it across the blue line. Along the half wall with the puck. Wrist one in front. Comes up with the blocker save.
Smothered that in close chance.
Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. Team Russia's been the more aggressive team offensively. Look at the shot clock and just look at the score. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Through center along the wing. Oh, smart heads up read. Norway's got the puck. Team Norway's got the puck in the defensive end. From one point man to another. Rips it, makes the save. Russia's been all over them here in this second period. Just look at the score, and they have dominated in the shot clock, too. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Denies him on the slapper. Back to the point it goes. Sends a pass over. Tees off the one-timer. Misses over the net. Blast from the blue line. And he comes up with the save.
Really solid shift here. Their puck possession game has been outstanding. Now they've got it again, and they can hold it down underneath the blue line.
Makes the stop with the blocker. And that's picked off in front. Over the line they come. Into the corner. Runs them hard into the wall. Comes up with the stop.
Thanks to the guys in the truck, we get a great look at that hit again. He slammed him into the wall. That one hurt.
Team Russia's offense has come to play in a big way as they dominated both the shots and goal category. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Just misses.
He's got to get this puck on the net. He's got all kinds of time to shoot it, but he fires it over top.
Just put it on the net. Handles the puck. Too much traffic in the lane. And that one's turned away. Couldn't catch up to that pass. Moves it quickly over to Bushnevich. Takes the feed up ahead. Solid hit on the play, and that knocks the puck off his stick. They've got the defense outnumbered. Answers it with an even better save. Orlov's picking up steam. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. And the puck stopper jumps on top of it to get a stoppage in play.
And I can feel the boards vibrate with that hit. He slammed him into the wall.
Russia's dominated right from the start. Their offense clicking on all cylinders, and they lead here in the second. Quick feed to Provorov. Great pass from the left wing. Here they are on the attack. Hammers a shot, and too much traffic in front blocks that one.
Ovechkin's eyes are looking for three. He's got two in his back pocket. Dangerous player now.
Here's a short pass to Kulikov. Here's a shot. Gets in front of it. Reads it perfectly, breaking up the play. Here they come on the attack. Team Russia's got the puck along the boards. Here he is, trying to get loose. Denies him.
Oh, excellent stop by the goaltender. He read that perfectly.
And now he moves it quickly. He scores! Alexander Radulov.
When the goaltender gets into the butterfly, he's just trying to take away as much of the net as he can. He's got lots covered, not enough as he gets beaten for a tally.
Russia's been dominant tonight as they make their way back to center.
They have scored almost at will, in particular here in this second period.
This neutral zone face-off set to go, and we are back underway. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Slides it across to Radulov. From the right wing, he moves it to the middle.
49 seconds.
And he slides it quickly to Sergachev. That one's off the blocker. Slides it quickly to Zuccarello. Zuccarello's got the puck. Knocked off the puck. Moves it around along the half wall. Knocked away. Zuccarello's tripped up and the official's hand is in the air signaling penalty. Time for the official to pass down his sentence. Tripping is the call. Did he sell or is that the right one in your mind?
I think it's the right one. He looks like he's picking up speed and the stick gets into his feet.
Another chance here on the man advantage.
The best power plays are the ones that are successful after they've failed. They haven't been very good tonight, but you have to wash that away, not let it affect the current power play.
Good positioning there to knock it away with the glove.
Really good positioning as he makes the stop from in tight.
Looks to set up at the point now. And he comes up with a big-time save on that. Team Russia's had the better scoring opportunities and lots of them, which is why they lead in a big way here in the second. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Passed up ahead. Takes that pass back at the point. Here's a shot. Nowhere for that shot to go through. and manages to clear the zone. Beautiful feed up ahead from the right wing side. Carries it in. Ahead of steam now towards the front. Back to the blue line. And the goaltender grabs that one for a whistle to try to slow things down here. Russia's offense came to play in a big way, and they lead big time here in the second. Offense's own face-off, and he wins the draw. Pass back to the point. Lowers the boom with that hit. They'll want to clear the zone here while they're trying to kill off this penalty. Gets it out of his own end. Norway's going to play the puck from behind the cage. Orlov's back out onto the ice as we are back to even strength here.
Hey, I think I killed 2 penalties in my life. Looked to me like the penalty killers did a good job there. They didn't really give up anything.
And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Radulov's moving it ahead. Shot denied by the goaltender.
Doesn't look like much, but the defensemen are helped out by this puck being in the corner.
Puts it on net with the stop. Too many bodies in the way. Team Russia's dominated right from the start. Their offense clicking on all cylinders, and they lead here in the second. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. This is wide. Team Norway's got a hold of it against the wall. Picking up some steam at center ice. Takes the pass. Takes the feed at the back end. Move to the middle. Takes the feed. Takes it across the blue line. Breaks up the pass in the defensive zone.
There's a time to be risky. That one, there was no play. I think he could have gone deep with the puck.
Snaps it on net. Oh, and he misses an opportunity there.
Looking to be too perfect. Get it on the net. You've got a better chance to squeak one through the goaltender than if you miss it outside the net.
Russia's had the better scoring opportunities and lots of them, which is why they lead in a big way here in the second. Buchnevich has won the draw here in the offensive zone. Pokes it away in his own end. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Kucherov's got it against the boards. And he scores! On the rebound, lights the lamp for the goal.
This is really terrific awareness here. He puts the shoulder fake on, great hands, pulls everybody out of position, and lays a sauce over for his teammate to finish.
Team Russia's quickly filling up the highlight reel shows for later this evening, Ray.
They are, even though it's in the second period still, they have scored almost at will tonight.
Here's a chance. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. In front, the puck stopper gets on top, but we'll get a little stoppage in play here, Ray.
Yep, goalies are going to jump on it as quick as they can anytime around the front of the net.
Russia's offense came to play in a big way, and they lead big time here in the second. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Carries it across the line. Back at the point, they set it up. Blocked in traffic. Grabs the puck here at the blue line. And he's taken down the official's arm, signaling for a penalty. Slides the puck down low. The goaltender is quickly off to his bench to get the extra attacker out. Here's a pass down low. Here comes the call. Pretty cut and dry with a tripping call here.
Yeah, but James, every player argues the tripping call because you feel like your stick was in the right place and the other guy stepped on it. Never your fault.
And it looked like there was some late moment lobbying there. It didn't work.
It doesn't work.
No, none. Another power play opportunity coming up here as they set up at the faceoff.
You got to have a short memory on a power play. You haven't scored yet tonight, but that can't matter on this one. Get the puck back to the point, start moving it around, and get people converging at the net.
Sends the cross-ice pass. Puts one on net. Gives them nothing in front. Team Russia's got to be happy with where their game is at so far tonight as they continue to lead big here late in the second. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. And manages to clear the zone. Norway's got it behind the net. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Here's a shot. Big save by the goaltender. Russia's been dominating at all ends of the ice, especially offensively here late in the second. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Knocks the puck loose. Here's a shot. Backhander. Stopped by the goaltender. Quick pass to Anisimov. Fires it into the offensive corner. Team Norway's got the puck along the wall. Passes up ahead from the left wing. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Gets it out of his own end. Just a few seconds remaining here with this man advantage. Can they get something going here? Kovalchuk's out of the box.
Slowly, they start to take the momentum away from the other team. They get a power play, and this PK unit has been perfect. They knock them down at the knees every time.
Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Snaps one from the slot, and that goes wide. And the goalie covers up for the whistle. Team Russia's been an impressive club to watch tonight, especially offensively, as they lead big here late in the second. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Slides the puck across. On the attack along the boards. Here's a chance on the doorstep, and they can't convert on the play. Takes it across the blue line. Now a quick pass to Ovechkin. Moves the puck. Moves it to Zaitsev. Puts it to the front of the net. Stones up with the blocker. Point-to-point pass. Takes a shot, and that one's stopped. Russia's got to be happy with where their game is at so far tonight as they continue to lead big here late in the second. Kuznetsov's won it in their own end. Slides it on over to Nemestikov. Nemestikov's got it on the offensive end. Nemestikov's been tripped up, and we got a penalty coming up here. And let's see what the definitive call is on the ice. And he's off to the box for 2 for tripping.
Not much of an argument there. It sticks between the player's feet.
Time for the power play unit to get back to work.
They've been successful on the power play already, James. So now you get another opportunity. Do not relax. Go pile it on and get another one.
Makes the save. Takes the puck along the boards. There's another stop.
Stop one, stop two. The goalie makes a couple of excellent saves.
Kucherov's got the puck along the blue line. Moves it quickly over to Provorov. And it's a quick pass to Provorov. Takes a shot, and that shot gets caught in traffic. Trying to get it out of the zone. And it's a small victory for the PK unit here.
Well, that's their job. Get it down the ice, get off the ice, get some new people out there.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. Lets it go! Blocked in front. Horn sounds to end the second period.
Hey fans, don't forget to find those draw boxes throughout the arena for our signed jerseys, which we will give away tonight.
The third period is just moments away, and both Ray and I will be ready to bring you all the action here on EA Sports. And they are ready to drop the puck on period number 3. Norway's penalty killers have their work cut out for them here. But a nice start to the period as they win the draw. And that's broken up. Straight up the middle. Here they come. Takes a shot. Stopped by the goaltender. Team Russia's on total cruise control early in this third period. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. From the place 99 made famous. Solid hit on that play. Dishes it to Tarasenko.
Even though they don't get one on the power play here, they still have a comfortable lead. The one thing you don't want to do is give up a shorthanded goal. Maybe that sparks the other team a little bit. He clearly thought he had room to get by, but it got closed off in a hurry. He took a big hit there.
Russia's been a dominant force offensively. Plenty of quality scoring opportunities, and they lead it big time early in the third. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Over the line they come. Handles it along the blue line. Reads it perfectly in the defensive end.
Team Russia's been able to control the middle of the ice because they're in the right position. They've intercepted pass after pass, and they're way out in front.
Right up the gut, here they go. Slides it back to the blue line. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Kulikov swooping in on the attack. Quick feed to Provorov. Centering pass, and they can't connect. And makes the save. Team Russia's offense has been a thing to watch tonight as they lead it big time here early in the third. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. That's blocked. Intercepts the pass. This could be something. Here's a short pass to Malkin. And now it's over to Radulov. And he slides it quickly to Panarin. Point shot on the tip. Oh, just wide. Knocked away. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Puts the puck on net. Big time stop. Gets a blocker on it. And that goes off a player. Up along the wing. Tries to get the puck over to Anisimov. Here's a shot from the wall. Stops the rocket of a shot. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. And he gains the zone here. Takes the feed at the point. Shot. Oh, what a stop. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Big save by the goaltender once again.
Quick work. He makes 1 and 2 saves in a row.
Here they come on the attack. Angles it over to Tarasenko. Here's a shot, and he comes up with it. Puck scooped up by Tarasenko. Quick pass to Tarasenko. Handles the puck at the point. Zaitsev's got it in the offensive zone. With possession along the wall. Nice pass. A rocker off the blocker. Big stop by the keeper. Feeds it on over to Dadonov. Moves the puck along the half wall. Picks off the pass. Great defensive play to break it up. Quick shot. He scores!
James, this is waved off immediately. The official didn't take any time, making sure everybody in the building knows this isn't going to count.
Well, they obviously didn't like the call, but not a lot of time to dwell on it as we are ready to get play back underway. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Out front, and it totally whiffs on it. And there's the save. That goes off a twig. Into the offensive zone. Puts a little mustard on the hit to knock the puck loose. Along the half wall with the puck. The one-time blast. No room for that one to get through. And now he moves it quickly to Zuccarello. Back to the point it goes. Russia's gained possession along the boards. Dodonov's got it into offensive territory. And that's broken up with a stick in front. And he slides it quickly to Kuznetsov. Play whistle dead because of an offside. Team Russia's laying a pounding on the opposition tonight, generating numerous scoring chances and converting on what feels like almost all of them. Here's a chance to make something happen inside the neutral zone. Carries it in. Moves it to Zuccarello. Takes it from the other side of the blue line. Puts it up front. Here's a blast. Misses.
He powders this shot from the point, except it's over 4 feet high. It goes racing over the top of the net.
Might make the goaltender a little nervous next time he unloads. Here's the chance. Trapper save.
Ovechkin's made this part of his game. He levels his opponent here.
Russia's showing no signs of slowing down here in this third period, up big time. Malkin's won the draw. Taken by Provorov. Provorov's got it along the wing. Stones him on the one-timer. Team Russia's offense has been the story tonight, leading big time here in this third period. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Carries it across the line. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Takes the feed. Receives the pass. Moved in front. Rocked on the play. Now a quick pass to Panarin. Slides it over to Provorov. Moves it around along the half wall. Puts it on net. Gobbles that puck up with his chest. And we're going to get a stoppage here as the referee blows the play dead.
I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
Russia's laying a pounding on the opposition tonight, generating numerous scoring chances and converting on what feels like almost all of them. Jabs the puck away. Team Norway's got control of it now from their own end. On the attack along the boards. Here's a shot. Stopped by the goaltender. Puck grabbed by Anisimov. Anisimov's got it across the line. Hammers the shot. Big-time save on a big-time shot. Up the neutral zone now. Battling for it along the boards. Great positioning in the defensive end.
Still have to be careful with the puck. He turned it over way too easy.
Shot comes up with the stop. Sends the pass over. They've got numbers. Sends it across. Busted twig.
He puts everything behind this. He's got it right in his wheelhouse, and then the stick just craters on him.
And it's a quick pass to Kovalchuk. Oh, reads it perfectly. Here's a chance. Slides the puck over. Lets it go. Gets a glove on it to make the save.
Ooh, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That is a freight train that went right over top of him.
Team Russia's showing no signs of slowing down here in this third period, up big time. Off the trot, he ties up his opponent. From the right side, he goes to the middle of the neutral zone. Great chance in front, and he whiffs on it. Norway's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Tries to feed it over to Kuznetsov. From point blank, he scores! Jumps on on the rebound and buries it.
Goalie burps up this rebound here. It comes right back into the shooting area, and the rebound is put away.
Rush is all too aware there's no mercy rule in hockey. They continue to apply the pressure.
No, they're laying a beating on these guys now. It may be time to lay back just a bit.
Here's an odd man rush. And he gets the puck right back. Scores! Oh, what a one-timer to bury it!
Wow, this is like a practice drill here, James. He's so open in the high slot. The pass is on the shooting spot, and he just hammers it home.
Team Rush is having a lot of fun out there tonight, but Ray, I can imagine it's a different story on the other side of the bench.
Yeah, half the guys out here are having fun. The other half, this game can't end quick enough.
And now it's grabbed by Sergachev. Gaining momentum along the boards. Moves it quickly over to Orlov. And he slides it quickly to Malkin. And now he moves it quickly to Radulov. And the traffic neutralizes that threat. Into the corner of the attacking area. Move to the middle. Oh, a clutch save. Off the boards and up the middle now. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Here's a shot. Misses over the net.
Oh, man, he's frustrated with himself. He's got to get that on the net.
Looks to set up at the point now. He scores! Jumps on the rebound and makes it count.
What a nifty play. He uses great moves to pull the goaltender out of position, slides it across, and his teammate gets to slam it into the cage.
Rush's goal-scoring abilities have been on full display so far this evening and here in the third.
Really impressive display. They've moved the puck well skated, really forechecked. Well, there's really nothing they haven't done tonight.
Sent into the offensive zone. And uses the length of his stick to knock that puck away. Sends a pass over. With possession along the wall. Quick snap! Stopped by the goaltender. Team Rush is up big time here in the late stages of this third period. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Lets it go, and he makes the save. Again, the denial by the goaltender. Rush's offense has not been a problem tonight. They put a lot of shots on net and lead it big time late in this third period. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Kucherov's taken down to the ice. We got a penalty coming up. Here comes the call from the official. And he's heading to the box for two for tripping on this one.
This is such a bad penalty to take because you put yourself in a bad spot. A player falls down. Now here's Cook. You go to the box.
Well, he's got 2 minutes to think about it now. Another scoring opportunity looms here.
When you've already scored on the power play and you get one now, you can't wait to get over the boards to get started again.
Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone.
2 minutes for tripping. Time of the penalty.
Centering pass! Scores! And the power play strikes again.
James, they've been working on this in practice for the last little while. It's come through big for them tonight. This is why you keep your head on a swivel. Defensively, you've got to find where the open man is. Otherwise, you've got a guy standing there pounding a one-timer from the high slot.
Team Russia's lamp-lighting performance continues here with another goal in the third.
They can walk home. They have dominated this third period. They've stretched the lead out into a really comfortable margin.
Moves the puck along the half wall. Big pass off the boards. From one end of the blue line to the other. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Here's a shot. The lane was plugged up and that shot's blocked. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Quick feed to Kulikov. Manages to hang on. Maintains possession. Shot on net with the stop. Russia's put in one of their most complete efforts that we have seen in quite some time, up big time late in this third. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Zuccarello. Centering pass! Smart heads up play to neutralize the threat.
Oh, they're starting to push to make up the deficit here.
Sidorov's got it in the defensive end. Ovechkin's carrying it ahead. Gets a hold of the puck here at his own end. Along the half wall with the puck. Takes that pass back at the point. Denies him! Nice defensive robbery with the stick. Into the offensive end now. Puts it on net and makes the save. A spirited battle along the boards for the puck. Strong use of the body to force the puck loose. Less than 60 seconds to play in this blowout. He scores! What a shot!
He didn't waste any time. If he would have stopped that puck, the goalie would have had time to readjust. As it is, it's in the net.
Team Norway's got to be thinking more and more offense here now in the third.
No reason to sit back. You're in a hole here. You need goals, and you need lots of them. Attack.
Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway.
Number 40, assisted by number 13.
From off the boards, takes the feed inside the zone. Denied by the goaltender.
The shooter's right in the guts of the ice, but the goalie squares up, spreads out, and makes the save.
Knocked away. And now he moves it to Sergachev. Kovalchuk's going to play it against the half wall. Here's a chance! Shuts him down. Takes it across the blue line. Snaps one on net. Stopped by the goaltender. Team Russia's up big time here in the late stages of this third period. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. And that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. Long reach breaks up the momentum. Scrum along the boards as they battle for the puck. Norway's got a hold of it along the wall. Unleashes a rocket, and that's wide of the net. And there's the final horn, putting a bow on this one here this evening. Ray, more shots, more offense, and they converted.
It dominated the game start to finish. You got to feel for the losing goaltender. He had to feel like he was at the end of a firing squad there.
For my broadcast partner, Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cybulski. Thanks so much for joining us. Good night. Yow, 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 yow. Uh-huh, uh-huh.